Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from testbook.com.
Hello guys, I am Dhiraj and I welcome you all in the Testbook.com, and I'm here to provide you the best I have. So guys, once again I'm came with another expected question session on UPPSC AE Mechanical, right? So we are going to solve the various types of question for my dear paper 2 for UPPSC AE examination. Okay, so first of all, very good morning to all of you. So guys, yes, I can see that few people have already joined. So guys, you have to do hit like, share and subscribe the channel, and you have to share the link of this video in your social media group so that the maximum people will get joined and they will get benefited of this session as well. Okay, so yes, very good morning to all of you. So it's right now it's 10:58. We are going to start the session within 2-3 minutes. Okay, so yes, I can see that. Very good morning, Rahul. Very good morning. Yes, I can see that few people have already joined. Very good morning to all of you. Very good morning. Suprabhatam, Rahul ji. Suprabhatam. And guys, I want to let you know, there is deal of the year is going on. You are getting the Testbook Pass with the validity of 14 months just for rupees 299. And if you pay from Airtel Bank Payments, my dear, you will get 30 rupees cash back as well. Okay. And we have already launched, that is what, my dear, what Mission Gate. And in that you can see there is a mega price drop of what you are getting just for rupees 4,000 only. And I want to tell you, it is live coaching. And if you are interested in the live coaching, my dear, then you can fill the application form. The link of the application form is given in the description of this video. Okay. And the same another batch of what, my dear, SSC JE Mechanical is there, and we already started this batch from 15th of November. So guys, the batch is going on, so you can join the batch by filling an application form, which is given again in the description of this video. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. Ankit Pandey, very good morning to all of you. Very good morning to all of you, my dear. You can join the batch by okay. So guys, right now it's 11. We are going to start the session within 2 minutes. Okay, within 2 minutes we are going to start. So don't worry about. Okay, and I hope your preparation is quite well. And definitely, I still remember that I have to take a session on renewable energy. Okay, shrinkage allowance, that is solid shrinkage and liquid shrinkage. And liquid shrinkage are compensated by riser, and solid shrinkage are compensated by pattern. I hope you got it, Krishnamurthy. Shrinkage means contraction. Okay, I hope you got it better. Krishna, it's 11 now. It's 11. Okay, it's 11. We are going to start the session within 1 minute. Both solid shrinkage are different thing. Liquid shrinkage are different thing. Liquid shrinkage are compensated by riser, and solid shrinkage are compensated by pattern. Yes, still I remember. That is Ankit, renewable mechatronics and robotics questions. Okay, definitely I will. Okay. I'll not sure कि that question कर पाएंगे. That definitely कुछ basic part I will cover. Some basic part I will cover definitely for sure. You're right, Chat. Okay. I hope everybody is clear, right? I hope it's clear. That is wrapping, you can say shaking allowance, you can say. Okay, wrapping or shaking. Wrapping or shaking, you can say. Okay. So, my dear, it's 11:02. So can we start? So here we go, my dear. Here we start. This today's first question on your screen, my dear. Look at this. This one. Yes. This is the first question. Okay. See that. What it says. If power developed by turbine in a certain steam power plant, power developed by turbine 100 and heat supplied to the boiler QS 3360 kilojoule per kg. The heat rejected by system to cooling, it is this one. Okay. Feed pump required to condensate the back into, that is what it is, WP. Okay. Then mass flow rate. My dear, you should know how much you had supplied. That is heat यहाँ से कितना आएगा? That is what 3360 minus 2520. Sorry, 2525. What you will get? 0 8 no 6 में से 2 गया 4. राइट, यहाँ बचा कितना आ रहा है? 840 अराउंड आ रहा है. राइट, यस, इट इज 840. Yes or no? It is 840. Okay. It is 840 kilojoule per kg. But how much we got? So power will be what, my dear? 840 into mass flow rate. Right? But this power is already given. And that is what, my dear? 1200. That is WT minus WP. That is 6. Right? So it's 1194. Right now. So it is 840 into M. My dear, will get mass flow rate. And that will be what, my dear? Mass flow rate. Can you tell me? Mass flow rate will be what, my dear? 1.421. What, my dear? 1.421 kg per second. Everybody, I hope 1.421. No, it's new one. It's new one. Yes, we are going. Yesterday we have done 50 questions, right? 51 questions, right? We are continuing that part also in a two part. We have covered 50 questions first and then 50 questions. Okay. So these are the remaining 50 questions. I hope you got it. Okay, beta. That is 1.421. Okay. Yes. Very good. Here we go for next. Of channel is expressed as, my dear, critical depth of channel. My dear, what it is none other than V square by G. It is for rectangular. It is for rectangular channel. Rectangular channel के लिए क्या होती है बेटा? This one. And this depth of channel, my dear, for अगर triangular रहता तो it is for triangular. So what should be the answer? V square by twice G. It is not V2, huh? It's V square. V square by G only. Okay, number two. No, it's open. It's continue. 20 ME 010 Sagar Dharmik. It's continue. But it is at 3 p.m. It is at 3 p.m. I repeat. 3 बजे चल रही है वो. It's not. बंद नहीं हुई है सागर. नहीं बंद हुई है मेरे भाई. Here we go for next. Engine can work in vacuum. कौन सा इंजन वैक्यूम में काम करता है? Which engine is working on vacuum? Yes. अभी दिवाली में वही जलाया है आपने. दिवाली में क्या जलाया है बेटा? दिवाली में क्या जलाया है? Which engine is working on vacuum, my dear? Which engine is working on vacuum? दिवाली में जलाया है. Very good. रॉकेट का जो इंजन होता है, इट इज वेरी गुड अविनाश. सागर, आई रिपीट, दैट हैज नॉट बीन, वो बंद नहीं हुई, इट इज ऑन, बट द टाइमिंग इज डिफरेंट. 3 p.m. ओके, हियर वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट. वेरी गुड. टेम्परेचर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन T minus T infinity upon T naught minus T infinity. My dear, e raised to power mx क्या है? Fin of finite length with insulated fin length, heat loss by convection at and very long fin, and what? That is fin of finite length with specified temperature at the end. Is correct. Be fast and be fast. Yes, it is none other than Aji bacha, क्या है ये? It is a fin of infinite length. It is expression for fin of infinite length. Right? So infinite length means what? Very long fin. Number 3 is correct. Rocket. Very good, Rahul. Here we go for next. The property of fluid by virtue of which it offers resistance to shear. My dear, क्या होगा? Surface tension adhesion coefficient. You know that mu, right now. Tau by what, my dear? Du by dy. It is right now. So it should be none other than property of fluid by virtue of which it offers what, my dear? Resistance. इसमें क्या होती है? एक होती है mu, एक होती है nu. Kinematic and dynamic. I hope you got it. Very good. Here we go for next, my dear. 10 ton of refrigeration system consumes 10 kilowatt of electrical energy. Its coefficient of performance will be COP. That is what? Refrigeration effect divided by W. So refrigeration effect is what, my dear? 10 multiplied by 3.5. That is kilowatt divided by W. W is what, my dear? 10. W is what? 10. What it should be, my dear? कितना आ जाएगा? 3.5. Yes or no, बेटा? Very good. 3 दिन पहले कहाँ आई है? कल आई है वीडियो. कल वीडियो आई है, चेकआउट करो अच्छे से. कल हमने क्लास ली है. कल क्लास ली कि नहीं अविनाश? बताओ वाइजैक की चाहत. 3.5. Perpetual motion of machine. What, my dear? Perpetuation of machine is what? Thermodynamic machine? No. Non-thermodynamic machine? No. Hypothetical machine whose operation would violate the laws of thermodynamics. Correct. Number 3. किसको violate करता है? Kelvin को. And किसको violate करता है? Clausius. Right? Second law of thermodynamics. Very good. हाँ हुई थी. अंकित पांडे जी बोल रहे हैं. देखिए सागर. Here we go for next. Very good morning, Abhit. Abhit, you're late. Compound. In a compound compression refrigeration system, the intercooling, the intermediate pressure T2, if the cooling system is fixed. Cooling system क्या है? Fix है. Is given by. You know that अगर cooling system fix है तो temperature same है. मतलब क्या है कि बच्चा क्या हो जाएगा? Intermediate pressure. That is what? Initial into final under root के अंदर. Right? Very good. ठीक है. Here we go for next. My dear. Yes. Here we go. Sorry, आंसर मार्क कर देने तो राहुल जी बोलेंगे सर आंसर मार्क नहीं किया आपने. Spherical black body with a radius of 12 centimeter radiates this much amount of power at 500 Kelvin. If radius were hall मतलब आधा, temperature double मतलब दुगना, the power radius would be, my dear, you should know. क्या होता है बच्चा? Sigma A T raised to power 4 Stephen Boltzmann constant, right? ये E1 हो गया, ये E2 हो गया. हमसे क्या पूछ रहा है? तो E2 क्या हो जाएगा बच्चा? सिग्मा 2 A2 T2 4, राइट? सो अगर मैं E2 बाय ये तो दोनों एक ही रहेंगे बिकॉज यहाँ पे रेडियस अलग अलग हो जाएगी, राइट ना? और इसमें रेडियस ये A डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल रहेगा किसके? R स्क्वायर के, राइट ना? अरे 4 पाई R स्क्वायर तो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल, 4 पाई इज कांस्टेंट, R क्या रहेगा? डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल रहेगा R स्क्वायर के. सो E2 बाय E1 क्या हो जाएगा? R2 बाय R1 का स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय बेटा T2 बाय T1 का रेस्ट टू पावर 4. सो सी व्हाट इट शुड बी, R2 बाय R1 हॉल कर दिया आपने, हॉल. सो दैट मींस R1 बाय 2, R2 इज इक्वल टू क्या है बच्चा? R2 इज इक्वल टू R1 बाय 2 ना. सो क्या हो जाएगा? 1 बाय 2 का स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय टेम्परेचर डबल मतलब T2 इज इक्वल टू ट्वाइस T1, राइट? सो इट शुड बी व्हाट? 4 है मतलब 4 इंटू 4, 2 इंटू 4, 2 इंटू 2 4 मतलब 16 आएगा, राइट? 16 आएगा, राइट ना? सो इट शुड बी व्हाट? 4. सो माय डियर क्या होगा? 4, यस और नो, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय E1. E1 कितना बेटा? E1 इज हाउ मच? 450 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 450 कितना आ रहा है? 4 4 16 1800. वेरी 1800. ओके, हियर वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट. आंसर मार्क कर दिया राहुल यहाँ पे 1800. The heat required to raise the temperature of 1 kg of water from room temperature by 1 Kelvin is known as, my dear. ये क्या है पहले तो ये बताओ. It is known as what, my dear? Specific heat. It is known as beta specific heat, because specific heat is defined as what, my dear? Amount of heat required to raise the temperature of unit mass of a substance by 1 degree centigrade or by unity. So that is nothing but 1 degree centigrade से या 1 degree Kelvin से जो भी टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने के लिए आपने हीट सप्लाई करी, that is none other than what, my dear? Specific heat. And if you supply the heat at constant pressure, that will be what? Specific heat at constant pressure. And if you supply the heat at constant volume, that will be specific heat at constant volume. And you know that Cp is greater than from Cv, because it includes internal energy and work done, and इसमें सिर्फ आता है internal energy, right? Cp minus Cv is equal to R, Mayer's equation है, right? So my dear, वाटर का स्पेसिफिक हीट कितना होता है बच्चा? कौन सा ऑप्शन लगाया आपने, देखें तो 4.18 किलो जूल. वेरी गुड डियर, वेरी गुड. थर्ड वन, जो भी किलो कैलोरी वाले हैं वो गलत हो जाएगा. इट इज ऑटोमेटिकली, इसका यूनिट क्या आ जाएगा? किलो जूल. एंड सी पर केजी पर केल्विन. किलो जूल पर केजी पर केल्विन, राइट? दैट इज नंबर 3 इज करेक्ट. द फंक्शन ऑफ मॉडरेटर न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट क्या करता है बेटा? ये यस, इट एब्सॉर्ब द, क्या करता है? स्लो डाउन करता है न्यूट्रॉन को. सो स्लो डाउन करेगा तो दैट मींस व्हाट? इट एब्सॉर्बिंग द काइनेटिक एनर्जी ना. स्लो कब होगा? जब वेलोसिटी डाउन होगी. वेलोसिटी कब डाउन होगी? जब काइनेटिक एनर्जी को एब्सॉर्ब कर लेगा. एंड दैट इज नन अदर देन, माय डियर, नंबर 4. वेरी गुड. एनएलसी आंसर शीट का लिंक भेज दो. ओके, समीर मोरे. गाइस, आई होप यू गॉट इट. बाईपास फैक्टर ऑफ कूलिंग कॉइल, समझाने के लिए बता रहा हूं ऐसा. कूलिंग कॉइल इज 0.2. द सरफेस टेम्परेचर इज 5 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. किसका? इसका, दैट इज इसका, ठीक है, कूलिंग कॉइल का. एयर एंटर्स 40, यहां का टेम्परेचर 40 है. ओके, द एग्जिट, यहां का टेम्परेचर आपसे पूछा है T2. आपसे क्या पूछा है? ये वाला टेम्परेचर पूछा है. तो बच्चा, हाउ वी कैन कैलकुलेट, माय डियर? यस, बी फास्ट माय डियर. कैन यू टेल मी how we can calculate and be fast? हाँ जी बच्चा, it is none other than, क्या होगा? T outlet minus T coil, T2 minus 5 divided by, और क्या आएगा बच्चा? कौन सा टेम्परेचर लेंगे? इनलेट लेंगे, आउटलेट? अरे बेटा इनलेट लोगे अभी. इनलेट, T inlet, how much? T inlet कितना है बेटा? It is none other than 40. That is this T inlet 40 माइनस व्हाट? कॉइल का कितना है बेटा? 5 डियर, कूलिंग कॉइल का. एंड दैट इज व्हाट? 0.2. फ्रॉम हियर यू विल गेट T2. एंड T2 कितना आ रहा है बेटा? हाउ मच द T2? T2 is 12 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. T2 is how much? 12 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. Maximum difference. Very good. 12. Very good. Here we go for next. The discharge per hour of a double acting reciprocating pump is, discharge per hour of a double acting reciprocating pump, my dear. See, length of stroke is given, cross sectional area of given, and speed is given. And you know that my dear, कि that discharge क्या होता है बेटा? हाँ जी बच्चा, क्या होता है discharge? V into N, राइट ना? क्या होता है? discharge is equal to volume delivered in a single revolution multiplied by number of revolution, right? volume क्या होगा बच्चा? stroke length, that is length of stroke multiplied by area multiplied by n. but this n is in rpm. हमसे पूछा है किसमें पूछा है हमसे? आवर में. सो क्या करेंगे? 60 से मल्टीप्लाई. अरे बोलो रे बेटा, कैन वी मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 60? बिल्कुल सर. ये 1 मिनट का है, हमें 60 मिनट का चाहिए, तो 60 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. ओके, इट इज पर मिनट. ये पर मिनट है. वी वांट इन पर आवर. 1 आवर में कितना मिनट? 60. ओके, बट अगेन दे सेड पर आवर डबल एक्टिंग मतलब 2 साइड हो रहा है. सो इट शुड बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय, ये सिंगल एक्टिंग का हो गया. इट इज सिंगल एक्टिंग. single acting per minute. So it is what 2 into 60 into L into A into N, and that will be what, my dear? 120 LAN. 120 LAN. Number one. 120 LAN. Very good. 60 LAN notes. Incorrect. Incorrect. One is correct. 120 LAN होगा. Double acting बोला है. So you have to multiply it by 2. Very easy question. The steady state heat conduction equation in radial direction in spherical coordinates in absence of any heat source is given by. Any absence of heat source is given by my. किससे given होगा? हाँ जी बच्चों. How? Yes. Can you tell me? It should be what, my dear? It should be none other than. क्या होता है? Yes. Be fast. It is none other than 1 upon r square into. क्या होगा बेटा? Very good. Very good. Yes. Correct. That is 1 by r square derivative with respect to r. किसका डेरिवेटिव लेंगे? That is r square into dt by dr. इसमें और भी चीजें आती हैं, बट यहाँ पे क्या बोला? स्टेडी स्टेट में तो सब चीजें क्या हो जाती हैं? 0. That is none other than number 3. Number 3. Very good, Dipti Smiley. Here we go. Ubaid ul Haq Ansari, most welcome, and do hit like, share, and subscribe the channel. Ankit Pandey. Okay. If 5 radiation shields are placed between 2 parallel plates, the rate of radiation of heat transfer reduced to. Haji Bacha. We have already learned and we have done the derivation and we found, my dear, क्या होता है? Q with shield. Q WS means what? With shield is equal to 1 upon number of shield plus 1 Q without shield. यहाँ पे number of shield कितना है बेटा? 5. 5 plus 1 क्या हो जाएगा? 1 by 6th. क्या हो जाएगा? 1 by 6th. Remember this formula. Shield is equal to 1 upon n plus 1 multiplied by Q without shield. That is, n is what? Number of this. N is what, my dear? Where n is what? Number of shield. Remember. Okay. Here we go. Very good, Obaid. Here we go. At sudden contraction in a horizontal pipe. Due to the sudden contraction in a horizontal pipe, my dear, total energy decreases. Yes. Total energy decreases कि नहीं? बिल्कुल decrease होती है. Velocity head increases, pressure head increases. Option कौन सा होगा बेटा? 67. Which one will be the option? 67. Be fast. कौन सा होगा? It is none other than number. Very good. 4. Very good, Rahul. That is total energy भी decrease होता है, velocity head भी increase होता है, pressure and head क्या होता है? Decrease होता है. As area contract हो रहा है ना, that's why. That is what all of the work. Very good. Wait, Ankit Pandey, no, it's not 2. Very good. All. Very good. Here we go. Which one of the following statement is correct? Correct, huh? Increasing the number of reheating stages in gas turbine to infinity makes the expansion tending to. क्या होता है? We have already learned this kind of, right? बताया था ये. क्या होता है बच्चा ये? TS डायग्राम बताया था ना? That is what? Isothermal बताया था ये. क्या बताया था? Isothermal. If you remember. Very good. Isothermal. I got it. Here we go for next. Identify the incorrect statement from the following options. Industrial steam generator used in sugar and paper industries or hospitals can operate with fluidized bed combustor using bales of baggage, can be great stoker coal or wood, can be fluidized bed units for rice husk, can be pulverized coal fired. My dear, which one is incorrect? We have to find out the incorrect statement. Okay, please be careful while giving answer. And it is what, my dear? It is none other than Haji Bacha. Incorrect. तो FBC नहीं होता हो. Using bales of baggage में नहीं होता. Okay, so it is what, my dear? It is incorrect. It is incorrect. I hope you got it. Okay. I hope you got it. Okay. Okay, here we go. Very good. Number one is correct. Number one is correct means this for this question is correct. Actually, that was incorrect. Okay, here we go. A multi-stage vapor compression refrigeration system. Which of the following is false? Incorrect. As compared to single-stage compression. As compared to single-stage compression. The work compression increase? No, it's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. तो यही तो सही है. They have said false one. Volumetric efficiency increases, correct. Leakage across reduce, right. Fly, very good. That is number one. Because work required has been reduced. But यहाँ क्या बोला? Increase. Number one. Number one. Here we go for next media. Guys, do hit like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Two fin surface with long fins are identical except that the convection heat transfer coefficient for first fin surface is twice the second one. Then the correct statement of efficiency and effectiveness of first fin surface related to the second one. You should know the formula for effectiveness and efficiency, my dear. Then Haji Bacha, can you tell me? Can you tell me? Yes. Be fast. क्या होता है? Yes. Please be fast, my dear. Okay, that is what? Efficiency क्या होता है? What is efficiency? Efficiency क्या होती है? Efficiency is inversely proportional to root h. ये पता होगा आपको. Effectiveness is also inversely proportional to root h. तो दोनों क्या हो जाएंगे बच्चा? दोनों की दोनों क्या होंगी? अगर effectiveness आपने heat transfer coefficient बढ़ा दिया है, if you have increases that, तो definitely क्या हो जाएगा? That will be decrease. Okay, I hope you got it. Okay, so lower the efficiency and lower the effectiveness, that will be the correct answer. Fourth one, no, inversely proportional है ना, inversely proportional है. So what they said that, say the coefficient of first fin surface is twice of the second. Okay, and the effectiveness of the first fin, okay, heat transfer coefficient for the first fin is twice. इसके मुकाबले सेकंड के मुकाबले पहले वाले का क्या है? डबल है. And twice of the second. Then the correct statement. Correct statement क्या होगा बेटा? Correct statement होगा lower. Right now. I hope you got it. Very good. Let me check once again that कुछ लोग हाई. Guys, see क्या बोला यहाँ पे? Two fin surface with long fins are identical except that the convection heat transfer coefficient for the first one fin surface is it twice. Okay, मतलब पहले का twice हो गया. Okay, मतलब ये क्या हो गया? Efficiency तो इसका क्या हो गया? कम हो गया. Efficiency कम हो गया. And इसका क्या हो गया? Effectiveness भी कम हो गया. And then the correct statement for the efficiency and effectiveness of the first fin. पहली fin का पूछ रहा है बेटा. और दोनों fin में क्या है? Inversely proportional है, तो क्या हो जाए? दोनों की दोनों कम हो जाएंगी. I repeat. Now I hope you got it. Okay, here we go. यहाँ पे जो बोल रहे थे low and high, वो लोगों को विराम मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे. For low heads only these turbines are used. कौन सा टर्बाइन यूज होता है बेटा? For low heads, जिसका स्पेसिफिक हीट हाई होता है, उसका हेड क्या होता है? लो. दैट इज व्हाट? कैपलान. कौन सा टर्बाइन? एंड मैंने बताया था डेरियस टर्बाइन इज व्हाट? रिवर्सिबल टर्बाइन. यस, इट इज. हाँ जी बच्चा, प्लीज टेल मी इट इज. प्लीज टेल मी यस. वेरी गुड. कैपलान टर्बाइन इज द राइट आंसर फॉर हियर. ये मीडियम हेड्स के लिए, पेल्टन व्हील हाई हेड के लिए, और डेरियास भी मीडियम हेड्स के लिए यूज होता है. डेरियास टर्बाइन इज आल्सो यूज फॉर अ मीडियम हेड्स. रिमेंबर, हाँ, मीडियम हेड के लिए यूज होता है. इट इज आल्सो नोन एज अ रिवर्सिबल टर्बाइन बिकॉज द इंपेलर ऑफ दिस टर्बाइन इज डिजाइन्ड इन सच अ वे दैट इट कैन बी यूटिलाइज्ड फॉर पंप एज वेल. Effectiveness of heat exchanger is a function of, you know that, it is a function of what, my dear? Heat capacity ratio and number of transportational units. That is none other than number one. Yes or no? I hope you got it. Okay. Kaplan turbine. Okay. Please remember that Dhiraj turbine is what, my dear? It is a reversible turbine. Which of the following engine can be associated with the heterogeneous combustion? किसमें होता है heterogeneous? Homogeneous होता है किसमें? SI में, और heterogeneous CI में. That is diesel engine. Very good. Kaplan, very good. Obad ul Haq, you just remember, my dear, Dhiraj turbine is also known as a reversible turbine. Okay, here we go for next. In a double acting reciprocating pump, if the area of piston is 200 centimeter square, length of stroke is 15 centimeter, and crank is rotating at 60 rpm, then neglecting the losses, the discharge of the pump. हाँ जी बच्चा, discharge निकालना है आपको. How you can calculate discharge, my dear? Be fast. Formula वही रहेगा. Yes or no? अरे बेटा yes or no? क्या रहेगा? L into A into N, right? Yes or no? I hope you got it. Okay. Discharge is equal to क्या होगा? Double acting है. It is double acting. So it should be what? 2 into L into length. So 2 into length is how much बचा? Piston area is given. Stroke 15 centimeter. मतलब मीटर स्क्वायर मीटर में 0.15 and it is 200 centimeter square. मतलब 10 to the power -4 से मतलब 0.02. 1 2 3 4, right? Multiplied by what? 60. बेटा how much? Calculate the answer. And answer is, my dear, answer कितना आ रहा है बेटा? The answer is 360 liter per minute. Actually ये आएगा 0.36 मीटर क्यूब per minute. But liter में करना है तो you have to multiply by 10 to the power 3. So it will get converted into 360 liter per minute. 360 liter per minute. Very good, Obath. Shabnam, very good. Chahat, very good, dear. Everybody is correct. Is not property of system. क्या नहीं है property? Specific volume is a property. Intensive property. Temperature. Temperature, what, my dear? Intensive. Pressure, intensive. Heat is not a property. So what should be the option? Correct option, my dear? Heat. क्या होगा? Correct option will be heat. Okay. Yes. Tell me the answer. Very good. 3. Shiv Kumar. Shiv Kumar. How it could be? Okay. Maybe हो सकता है उन्होंने last question का answer दिया हो 3. Shabnam, it is 2. Very good. Very good, everybody. Pinku, Kashyap, most welcome, guys. Do hit like, share, and subscribe the channel. Okay. Here we go for next. See, the general law of expansion or compression is given by PV raised to power n is equal to C. The process is said to be hyperbolic. Hyperbolic मतलब curve hyperbolic होगा. That is rectangular shape. If you remember, तो किसमें आता है बेटा वो? Isothermal में. Isothermal में आता है. Right now, hyperbolic means. So isothermal equation is what, my dear? PV is equal to C. That means when T is equal to C, ना, then we get this equation. So यहाँ पे n का वैल्यू क्या रखना चाहिए? 1. N का वैल्यू 1. N का वैल्यू infinity means what, my dear? It is constant volume. Right now, if n का value 0 means what? It is constant pressure. N का value gamma means what? Adiabatic. N का value means n. Then it is what, my dear? It is none other than polytropic. Very good. Very good. Everybody is correct. Here we go for next, my dear. Can I go for next? Here we go. The saturation temperature of water with increase in pressure increases. See, when saturation temperature of water with increase in pressure, मतलब आप pressure increase कर रहे होगे तो saturation क्या हो? Saturation जो pressure होगा, temperature होगा, वो क्या करेगा? Increase करेगा. तो पहले जैसे ही आप बढ़ाओगे तो वो एकदम rapidly increase कर जाएगा, right? बहुत rapidly. फिर बाद में धीरे 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 वो थोड़ा बहुत कम कम होने लग जाएगा. But still you are increasing pressure a lot, right? ऐसा कर्व आता है ना बेटा, ऐसा टेम्परेचर, ये हो गया प्रेशर फॉर वाटर, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट, पहले बहुत ज्यादा इंक्रीज होगा एंड देन एट द एंड इट विल गो वेरी स्लो. सो माय डियर, व्हाट? स्लोली फर्स्ट? नो, रैपिडली फर्स्ट एंड देन स्लोली. नंबर 3. वेरी गुड. आई होप यू गॉट इट. वेरी गुड. 78-3. वेरी गुड डियर. राहुल, रामजी, चाहत, Okay, here we go for next. Mass of vapor is 1 kg of wet steam. The dryness fraction is 0.95. Mass of vapor in 1 kg of wet steam. 1 kg of wet steam. So हमसे mass of vapor पूछ रहा है वो. And dryness fraction, you know that it is what? mv upon mv plus ml. Right? It is given 0.95. mv we have to find out. Right? It is what? mv plus ml. And ml given. ml is given. That is what? 1. Guys, you have to calculate mv. And mv कितना आ रहा है बेटा? It should be around. It should be around. That is what? It is how much? Guys, be fast. It is none other than how much? Its value is around, my dear, 19 kg. How much? 19 kg. Obvious सी बात है, यहीं से भी आ जाता है. देखो 1 + 19 + 1 20. 20 का 95% ये है. कौन? वेपर है. दैट मीन्स क्या है? 19 है. आई होप यू गॉट इट. ओके, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड डियर, वेरी गुड. नंबर 1, 950 ग्राम. 950 ग्राम. 1 आंसर कर रहे हैं बच्चे. इट इज 950 ग्राम. ओके, 79 का 4. नन ऑफ द अबव आ रहा है. लेट मी चेक द क्वेश्चन वंस अगेन. यस, मास ऑफ वाटर वेपर. Mass of water vapor is given, right? Mass of vapor in 1 kg of wet steam. 1 kg of wet steam of dryness fraction 0.95. Wet steam means what, my dear? हाँ जी. Let me check. Dryness fraction 1 kg of wet steam. Okay, wet steam means what? mv plus ml. So ये हमारा हो जाएगा 1. अगर ये 1 हुआ ना मेरे को नहीं लगता ये. I think we have to consider only L. यहाँ पे L यही लेंगे, सिर्फ हम यही लेंगे. It is only L. Mass of liquid only. Right? I hope you got it. मास ऑफ लिक्विड ही लेंगे. हियर वी गो. अगर देखो, अगर सिर्फ मास ऑफ लिक्विड लेके भी कर लिया, सॉरी, अगर हम लेते भी हैं mv अपॉन 1 इज इक्वल टू 0.95, दैट शुड बी व्हाट? mv इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, माय डियर? 0.95. राइट? यस, वी शुड टुक लिक्विड में वेट स्टीम मींस व्हाट? We should took mv plus ml. So this value whole will be 1. Okay, this value whole value 1 होगी. I'm sorry, ये whole value 1 होगी तो definitely x is equal to what? Sorry, x is 0.95. So definitely mass of vapor will be what? 0.95. So it is 0.9. None of the above. Fourth one will be none of the above. None of the above. Okay, 1 kg, 950 gram, right? It is 950 gram. 0.95 kg ना, यहाँ ग्राम में आंसर दिया हुआ है. It is 1 kg. 1 kg, right? So it is 0.95. So you multiply 1 kg means what? 1000 gram multiplied by 0.95. Right? So it should be what, my dear? It should be 950. It should be 950. Number 1 is correct. Number 1 is correct. Number 1 is correct. Okay, here we go for next. $950 is correct. Pressure at, go for next. Pressure at certain depth below ocean is 1.4 megapascal. Then what is the depth approximately? आपसे depth पूछ रहा है. You know that rho gh is equal to pressure. Water दिया हुआ है आपको, right? It is water ना. So rho you can took 1000. G you can took 9.81 or you can took 10 also. Into h you have to find out, but pressure should be, my dear, it is in 1.4 megapascal. We so convert it कर लेंगे. We can convert it into Pascal. My dear, you have to find out depth. So depth will be. It is none other than 140 मीटर. कितना आ रहा है बच्चा? It is 140 मीटर के लगभग आएगा. 139 point something आएगा, but it should be 139 point something will be there, right? 98 ऐसा कुछ आएगा, but that should be approximately equal to, my dear, 140 meter. That is this one. 140. 139 point something आएगा, but if you took 10 over here, you'll get 140 dot. Which of the following is incorrect for reversible adiabatic process? For reversible adiabatic process. Reversible adiabatic means what? Reversible adiabatic is always isentropic, but vice versa is not possible. I or may not be reversible adiabatic, but reversible adiabatic is always isentropic. So ds is 0, s is constant, dq 0. dq 0, yes. Then they said incorrect. That means q is not constant. It is incorrect because q remains constant, right? Very good. Very good. Here we go. अरे बेटा यहाँ पे we have to it how it could be 1 यार. चाह यहाँ क्या बोला? Incorrect. Incorrect statement we have to identify. Here we go for next. Incorrect. Please listen. First read the question very carefully. The same thing you will repeat in the examination as well. They will ask incorrect, you will mark correct. And that will be what? You are getting negative. In an impulse reaction turbine, the enthalpy drop in fixed and moving blades are given. Okay. Then the degree of reaction. Degree of reaction is what, my dear? Enthalpy drop across moving blade divided by enthalpy drop across stage. And across stage में क्या आता है? Moving blade plus fixed blade. That is what? Moving blade is how much? Enthalpy drop is fixed blade. Moving blade में 40 है. So it should be 20 plus 40. That is what, my dear? 40 by 60. कितना आएगा बच्चा? 36. 36 तो 6 आ रहा है, मतलब यही आंसर है. Yes, sir. 0.33. How it could be 0.33? It should be 0.66. छः 36. 6 6 36. That should be 6.66 like. Okay. Darcy-Weisbach equation for loss of head in pipe where F is friction factor, L is length, V is velocity upon weighted perimeter. We have to identify which one is correct, my dear. Darcy-Weisbach. Guys, be fast. थोड़ा जल्दी करें. क्या होता है बच्चा? HF. क्या होता है? Yes, please tell me. Guys, be fast. हाँ जी बच्चा. क्या होता है? FL V square upon twice GD. Right? It is what? HF. Right now. Right. Weisbach equation for loss of head in pipe. Pipe में बोल रहा है, pipe में. तो pipe में बेटा ये क्या होता है? D. D कितना हो जाता है? D is nothing but what, my dear? 4 into M. 4 into M ना? अरे हाँ या ना? अरे D क्या होता है? D क्या हो जाता है? 4 into M. For what? M means what? This one. A by P. Right? For pipe के लिए. So it should be what? FL. Sorry. It is FL V square upon twice G into 4M. So this will be equation. कौन सा है देखो. So this is no. FL V square upon twice 4M हो नीचे. I think this one. FL V square upon twice. Yeah, this one. Number one is correct. Number one is correct. Here we go for next, my dear. चलें आगे. Here we go. Okay, 83-1. Here we go for next. The work done by the impeller of centrifugal pump on water per second per unit weight. We have already done this. and that is what, my dear, 1 by G W in W2 U2. It is what, per second only. Okay, it's not per unit weight. So if you want per unit weight, my dear, then you have to divide by W. So you'll get VW2 U2, right? So it is none other than number 2. Number 2, 84. Be fast, my dear. 84. No, it's क्या पूछा? The work done by the impeller only. Impeller only. Okay, 2. Very good. Here we go for next, my dear. Here we go for next. If the pressure at exhaust from turbine is the saturation pressure, exhaust from the turbine is what, my dear? Saturation pressure corresponding to the temperature desired in process heater. Such a turbine is called, my dear. I'll repeat once again. The pressure at exhaust from turbine is the saturation pressure corresponding to the temperature desired in what, my dear? In process heater. Such a turbine is known as condensing turbine, extraction turbine, pass out turbine और back pressure turbine. My dear, it is none other than back pressure turbine. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? बैक प्रेशर टर्बाइन बोलते हैं, जिसका प्रेशर एग्जॉस्ट पे किसके बराबर होता है? जो हमारा हीटर होता है अंदर, उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग टेम्परेचर के करस्पॉन्डिंग जो प्रेशर होता है. आई होप यू गॉट इट. वेरी गुड. 85. नो, इट्स नॉट एक्सट्रैक्शन. इट्स नॉट एक्सट्रैक्शन. आई वांट टू टेल यू. एंड पास आउट टर्बाइन उसको बोलते हैं. द पास आउट टर्बाइन इज अ टर्बाइन from which we can draw the steam for a heating purpose continuously from an intermediate state. जहां बीच में से you can just take out some amount of heat for a heating purpose. That is what, my dear? Pass out turbine. That is what? Pass out turbine. Okay. वापस दबाओ टर्बाइन. ठीक है, चले आगे. Here we go for next. Cavitation in a pump is associated with, cavitation means what, my dear? Formation of bubble, right? And it happens when the vapor pressure falls below the specified pressure. So definitely क्या आएगा? जब प्रेशर वेपर प्रेशर से नीचे चला जाता है एक्चुअल प्रेशर के, so definitely उस टाइम पे क्या होता है? बबल फॉर्मेशन. एंड उस बबल फॉर्मेशन को क्या बोलते हैं? कैविटेशन. Okay, can you tell me one thing? What is remedy if there is a cavitation in your, supposed to be you are using a pump in your house and you see that there is a cavitation in that side pump or pipelines? My dear, what you will do? You will do the what, my dear? Priming. क्या करते हैं हम लोग? Priming. Okay, here we go, my dear. Very good, very good. Vapor pressure. Select the correct statement. The Pelton wheel can be installed either horizontally or vertically. It's correct. Gives optimum efficiency. No. Optimum efficiency or what? No. Optimum efficiency given by Kaplan. Right. Remains submerged in water. No. It is just above the water. Operate by converting available energy fully into kinetic energy. बिल्कुल correct है. That is क्या करता है? जितनी भी एनर्जी होती है उसको कन्वर्ट कर देता है किसमें? Kinetic energy. Right now, that is MGH. Potential energy is get converted into kinetic energy. That is A and D are correct. Which one? Number 4. Number 4. Priming. Very good. Here we go for next. Mukesh Sharma. Very good here. While designing a Pelton wheel, the velocity of wheel is U is given by KV is given, head is given, and this one. My dear, please tell me the formula for it. Guys, be fast and tell me the formula for it. Be fast. थोड़ा जल्दी बताएंगे. It is none other than what, my dear? Speed ratio multiplied by speed. देखो कुछ बच्चे ना फॉर्मूला ये लिख कर आ जाते हैं. इसमें दिया नहीं ऑप्शन तो इट्स ओके, बट समटाइम्स पीपल सिलेक्ट ये वाला. इट इज रॉन्ग, माय डियर. दे आस्क फॉर व्हील, एंड व्हील का होता है बच्चा, इट इज नथिंग बट, व्हील का क्या होता है? व्हील का होता है, लेट मी राइट इट स्ट्रेट वेयर, U is equal to KU under root twice GH. Okay, it is for wheel and it is for, ये right कब होता? It is for jet. It is jet velocity. Okay, CV, you know that. Very good. It is V, not flow rate. Okay, here we go. The mean effective pressure of an engine denotes मीन इफेक्टिव प्रेशर जो होता है इंजन में, दैट इज क्या इंडिकेट करता है? दैट इंडिकेट्स व्हाट? एवरेज प्रेशर, इंस्टेंटेनियस प्रेशर, मैक्सिमम प्रेशर, मिनिमम प्रेशर। हाँ जी बच्चा, आधे ज्यादा जनता लुढ़केगी इसमें। देखो बोला था ना, द पीपल डेफिनेटली, यस, टेल मी द आंसर फॉर इट। 89, 89 का आंसर, बी फास्ट, बी फास्ट। 89, 89, very good, very good। 89 1, average, average, that should be average only, average pressure। some people thought like कि maximum होगा, maximum नहीं होता, it is average pressure। the simple single stage gas turbine T1 is minimum temperature, T3 is maximum temperature, then what is the work ratio? work ratio क्या होगा बच्चा? work ratio क्या होगा? guys, be fast, tell me the answer for it। it is none other than, it is none other than, my dear, what? 1 minus क्या होता है? 1 minus, we have done the derivation, T1 minus T3 into RP raised to power gamma minus 1 upon gamma। RP is what बच्चा? it is none other than P2 by P1। so option number 2 is correct। option Ankit Pandey, it's not 1, no, it's not 3, it's 2, 2, 2, very good। here we go for next point। the working pressure of Cornish boiler, my dear, working pressure of Cornish boiler। first you should know कि Cornish, Cochrane, right, locomotive, Lancashire, these boilers are nothing but what, my dear? fire tube boiler। and fire tube boiler are what? low pressure boiler, right? they can operate at 25 bar only, right? right now ये कौन सा बॉयलर है? बैबकॉक। ये कौन सा बॉयलर है? इट इज फायर ट्यूब एंड इट इज ऑपरेट नियर बाय 25 बार, राइट। बट हमारे पास जो होते हैं दैट इज लो प्रेशर। जो हमारे पास होते हैं वाटर ट्यूब लाइक लैमोंट हो गया, सॉरी लोइफलर हो गया, बैबकॉक विलॉक्स हो गया, स्टर्लिंग हो गया, दीज बॉयलर्स आर व्हाट? हाई प्रेशर बॉयलर्स एंड दे ऑपरेट एट 250 बार। सो इट इज विच काइंड ऑफ प्रेशर, माय डियर? स्टर्लिंग, दैट इज व्हाट? लोअर देन। इससे क्या होगा? कॉर्निश का कम होगा, ओके। लोअर लोअर लोअर, वेरी गुड कॉर्निश। शिव कुमार, वेरी गुड। फायर, वेरी गुड स्टर्लिंग, वेरी गुड। वाटर ट्यूब, राहुल, बिल्कुल सही। guys, do it, like, share and subscribe the channel, okay। combined natural and forced convection analysis done by Grashof number and Reynolds number, okay। so आपको बता दूं, when the ratio of Grashof to Reynolds is become less than 1, then my dear natural convection या free convection is negligible। and when the ratio of Grashof number to Reynolds number, okay, अगर क्या हो जाए? अगर ये ग्रेटर हो जाए, किससे हो जाए? 10 से, तब आपका फोर्स कन्वेक्शन क्या हो जाता है? फोर्स कन्वेक्शन इज नेग्लिजिबल। सो माय डियर, वी हैव टू चूज द करेक्ट वन, एंड द करेक्ट वन क्या होगा? इट इज स्क्वायर होता है, ओके, यहाँ स्क्वायर होता है। सो इफ इट इज लेस देन 0.1, फोर्स इज गोइंग टू बी, सॉरी, फ्री इज गोइंग टू बी नेग्लेक्टेड, एंड इफ इट इज ग्रेटर देन फ्रॉम 10, देन फोर्स शुड बी नेग्लेक्टेड। सो इट शुड बी इन द रेंज ऑफ दैट 0.1 से बड़ा हो, इससे लेस नहीं होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज इट विल गेट नेग्लेक्टेड, एंड इससे क्या हो? छोटा हो, राइट। सो ऑप्शन विल बी नंबर 3, number 3, 92 3, okay। I hope you got it, very good। here we go for next। which of the following are used as throttling device? capillary tube होता है, constant pressure expansion valve, right, thermo, all of the above are correct। 93, yes or no? yes or no? very good। here we go for 94। what about this one? 93, 93, all are correct, very good, very good। here we go for next। which one of the following accessories is connected to steam supply pipeline to maintain constant pressure? maintain constant pressure कौन मेंटेन करेगा? स्टीम सेपरेटर तो नहीं, सेपरेट करता है। स्टीम ट्रैप ये भी नहीं, इंजेक्टर भी नहीं, बचता कौन है? वेरी गुड, दैट इज व्हाट? 94 is none other than, my dear, क्या होगा 94? हाँ जी, 94 का आंसर प्रेशर रिड्यूसिंग वॉल्व, ओके। here we go for next, my dear। 96, considering the variation of static pressure and absolute velocity in an impulse turbine across one row of moving blade. क्या होगा बच्चा? impulse turbine में प्रेशर क्या होता है? प्रेशर ड्रॉप होता है या कांस्टेंट रहता है या वेलोसिटी के बारे में क्या होता है? दैट यू हैव टू टेल मी गाइस. बी फास्ट, जल्दी बताओ थोड़ा. It is what, my dear? It is none other than what? Pressure remains constant. 94 का 1, both pressure and velocity. 96, I'm talking about 96. 96 का option. Guys, be fast. 96. Very good. 90. What about 96? 96. I'm asking about 96. I'm not getting 9. What about 96? वेलोसिटी इंक्रीज होगा. 96.4, 96.2, 96.4. गाइस यू शुड नो दैट कि इंपल्स टरबाइन में क्या होता है. नोजल में प्रेशर ड्रॉप होता है, ये मूविंग ब्लेड में क्या होता है? कांस्टेंट होता है प्रेशर, राइट ना. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? इंक्रीज. और फिर यहाँ पे क्या होती है? वेलोसिटी. इट इज वेलोसिटी, इट इज व्हाट? प्रेशर. नाउ टेल मी यस वेलोसिटी कैसे इंक्रीज होगा मेरे भाई? यस गाइस, बी फास्ट. वेरी गुड. प्रेशर रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट व्हाइल वेलोसिटी इज गोइंग टू डिक्रीज. किसकी पूछ रहा है? सबसे बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, दैट इज कॉस्मिक वेरिएशन ऑफ स्टैटिक प्रेशर एंड एब्सोल्यूट वेलोसिटी इन एन इंपल्स टरबाइन अक्रॉस वन रो ऑफ मूविंग ब्लेड. सिर्फ मूविंग ब्लेड के बारे में पूछ रहा है. दैट इज व्हाट? Pressure remains constant, velocity is going to decrease, my dear. That is, velocity decrease हो रही है and pressure क्या है? Constant है. That is what impulse turbine. That is what, my dear? Number 2. Very good. Net बहुत slow है. Okay. Here we go for next. राजपूत बिल्कुल अपोजिट बोल रहे हैं आप. शुभजीत मंडल, very good. Here we go for next. For laminar flow occurs in a zigzag way. Reynolds number this way. Newton's law, viscosity is important. Flow is never zigzag. वो turbulent में होता है. It is wrong. Reynolds number, that is what? Pipe में क्या होता है? Less than 2000. ये क्या? Transition है. That is it also wrong. Yes, Newton law viscosity is going to matter, right? Newton's law viscosity is going to matter. That will be number 3. Because you know why it is matter? Because you know that V is equal to what? Rho V D by mu. And you know that mu is defined by what, my dear? Tau divided by du by dy. And it is nothing but Newton's law of viscosity. Very good. Very good. Here we go for next. My dear. 99. In a centrifugal pump, discharge is proportional to. Discharge क्या होता है? Directly proportional होता है D cube के और directly proportional होता है M के. Right? That is what? N नहीं, N. Number 2. Guys, what about you? I'm not getting your comments over here. Be fast. थोड़ा जल्दी बताएं क्या होगा बच्चा? Very good. That is N. Now we'll go for the last question of the session. Okay? चलें? Very good. मैं आगे चल रहा हूं. आई डोंट नो. मैं भी देख रहा हूं 99 तो डिस्प्ले हो रहा है. आई थिंक ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. Here we go for next. 100 question. In an impulse turbine, if the angle of blade tip at outlet is 60 degree, the maximum hydraulic efficiency of the impulse turbine is. In an impulse turbine, if the angle of blade tip at the outlet is 60 degree, the maximum hydraulic efficiency क्या होती है बेटा? 1 plus 2, right? Apply the formula, get the answer. Put the value, get the answer. क्या होती है? Eta. ये पहले भी कर चुके हैं. That is what? 1 plus cos of alpha divided by 2. Put the value cos of alpha 60. When you do the calculation, my dear, you'll get 0.75, and that is none other than 75%. 100. Very good. Yes, 75. So here we have finished the 100 question as well. So guys, again, I want to tell you, those who are new, I want to tell you there is
one pass for 100 plus cover.
There is deal of the year is going on, and you can just get a validity textbook pass just for rupees 299 with a 14-month validity, my dear. Okay. And one more thing that I want to tell you, there is a mega price drop in GATE Mechanical live coaching. You can explore the preview classes in the website as well as in the app just for rupees 4,000. SSC JE मैंने बताया है. If you are interested in SSC JE, my dear, please fill the application form which is given in the description of this video. Okay. Yes. Now, okay, रोहन पान NLC का रिस्पॉन्स आ गया है. वेरी गुड. ओके, 95 97 मिसिंग था. नो, ऐसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए. 95 97 इज मिसिंग. लेट मी चेक. 95 missing. Let me check. Wait, let me check. 95, 97, 98, 96. This is 95. This is 95. Okay, I think we have missed it, right now. So इसको कर लेते हैं. What should be the answer, my dear? I'm very sorry, वो slides change करने में. In jet engine, for efficient production of large power, fuel is burned. किस में burned होता है? Compressor में. किस में बेटा? Compressor में. Which question is missing? Can you tell me the another question? 97. Which one is missing, my dear? Can you tell me? 97, na? Let me check. Okay, now 97 is missing, now. This is 97. If a refrigeration compressor using a thermostat as a primary controller is running continuously without significantly lowering the temperature in the refrigerated space, which of the following is most likely to be trouble? See, refrigeration compressor using thermostat as primary controller is running continuously. That means refrigerator is on. Okay. But still we are not getting a cooling effect. That means what, my dear? Usme refrigerant, it is quite less. There is a shortage of refrigerant. Might be the refrigerant has been over inside the refrigerator. Refrigeration khatam ho gaya hoga. Refrigerator mein refrigerant khatam ho gaya hoga. Right? So option number 2 is correct. Okay. While changing the slide, sometimes it happens कि वो miss हो जाता है. I'm very sorry for that. Shortage of refrigerant. Okay. We have system and we took the question from our system only. Okay. Rahul, I hope you got it. बता दिया है. Ankit Pandey, most welcome. So guys, I want to tell you, those who have come first time, guys, I want to tell you that there is a, ये तो हम कर चुके थे पहले, ये कल ही कर चुके हैं, राइट ना? अरे बेटा वो पहले ही कर चुके हैं हम लोग. I want to tell you, those who are new, UPPSC regular classes AE की for AE at 11 a.m. and Vizag is going on. That is what, my dear, at 3 p.m. Every day there is a class. Okay. Thank you, Abid. Thank you. So this is all about thermal section. Okay, PDF आपको comment section में मिल जाएगा. कल का भी PDF I hope मिल गया होगा. Okay. So guys, it's time to leave. So I leave now. We'll see you tomorrow in the next class. Oh, okay. We have Vizag class, right? At 3 p.m. we are going to meet, and don't forget to attend the session on Vizag. Okay, because that will also helpful for you. So guys, take care. Bye bye, shabba khair, and thank you so much for your presence and attendance. Okay, so we'll see you in the next class. That is what Vizag at 3 p.m. So take care. Bye bye, shabba khair. And जाने से पहले do it, like, share, and subscribe the channel. सुशील कुमार जी डेफिनेटली ट्राई कर रहे हैं. सुशील कुमार जी शेड्यूल इतना है ना, पैक बहुत रहता है. आई हैव क्लासेस, आई हैव वाईटी, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. तो डेफिनेटली विल ट्राई कि उस पर भी एक सेशन लेकर आए. सो आपकी चीजें जो है, आप जो बोल रहे हैं, आपका जो रिक्वायरमेंट है वो पूरा हो जाए, फुलफिल हो जाए. ओके, विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट. So guys, take care. Bye bye, shabba khair. One more thing that I want to tell you: do hit like, share, and subscribe the channel. And my dear, please stay at home, stay safe, stay online with the Testbook.com.